Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this little video where I have my short hair and we apply my LADYLUX tape in extensions, and you can see the transformation. So this is me afterwards, and if you want to see this tutorial then stay tuned. So as you can see, this is my short and natural hair. I have got a dark root and I've got blonde ends which are actually quite damaged, and that's why my hair is really short and I wear extensions. So yeah, here is the transformation. Amy is going to be applying my extensions. She's starting at the back and making her way up section by section and applying my LADYLUX tape in extensions. So now all 200 grams of LADYLUX tape and extensions have been applied in my hair, and we have styled it and curled it so it's all blended in with my natural hair, and I hope you like the finished look.